flying off the top. But, oh, no, Mario died.
Yeah, Bo lost his stock early, and False lost his stock early. So it seems like False doesn't like the Mario Sheik matchup.
Is that what was happening, you think?
I think so. So now instead he's pulling out Luigi, which, I mean, a lot of people think Luigi does do really well against Mario, but False in general just has been having trouble.
I'd call it an even matchup, personally.
Yeah, False in general has just been having trouble with Mario's. I don't really know why.
I'm good.
And also,
Treat there by Green.
He's going to have to play against Olimar. Like, who knows how often he does that.
And here's an up smash that's going to send Green over to the top left last zone, but he's going to live.
And they really need to seal out, Green and Bo need to seal out Keitaro, and on the flip side, Keitaro False needs to seal out Green.
With that up smash range,
yo,
insane.
With that purple Pikmin. That was good stuff. Yo, but
but
up
there
smash.
they all go, and now it's going to be 4 stocks to 3.
Yeah, that's big.
Look at all these zeros except for Mr. False.
I'm surprised we haven't seen Bo's Rob at all on stream today.
Well, I think he's, after yesterday at BIDG, I think he's, again, in his character crisis mode, a little bit dismayed at the Rob character.
Oh, did he get bodied in the Rob?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Let's Trump, good back air from
Akira was talking about this
Freebies.
at Hardwater on Thursday, how playing as, I'm not sure how that recovery worked there.
So, maybe he just didn't have a jump, he just accepted it.
What Akira was talking about is how GreenBeast learning Sheik has changed his Almar game.
Yeah, it definitely has. He's improved a lot because he understands a lot that Sheik does too.
And so now he has Ledge Trump back air in his pocket after learning it from his Sheik and taking it over to his Almar. And it's an effective technique.
Yo, they have, Red Team has total stage control, although False trying to make something happen. And he does, he manages to break it.
And Mario staying back. This is smart play from smart play from Mr. Scotty. And there goes Diddy Kong.
That's Keitaro dead.
2 stocks to 3.
Freebeast is doing work. I mean, who knows like how these players feel about the Olimar matchups? But I mean, a lot of people do believe that Olimar is the Diddy counter.
If Mario can stay alive, this rage is going to be huge. But up tilt.
He's dead, and he's taking
immediate
stock
share
right
stock.
away.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah, I do too. They just need to do some damage to Keitaro here.
Now on the reverse side, they have to keep Green alive. When Green was actually being the front line, now Mario's going to take over that duty.
Yeah, and Green was doing so well, just like walling everybody out. It seems like Bo really just needs to hold on to that stock a little longer.
That back air.
Oh, we live in.
Great DI.
Perfect DI. Oh,
forward air. Oh, not again.
And then up smash. And then up smash. Bo seals him out.
And now this Diddy Kong is the last line of defense for New York in this game. Or New Jersey. Pardon me. I know some people will be offended. And Keitaro going straight in, beeline for Freebeast.
I think back air might have killed Freebeast. I'm surprised we didn't see it.
Oh, great grab there from Freebeast.
Yo!
And the cape!
The cape!
Wow!
Good stuff from Bo Scotty Freebeast.
Oh, hang on. We should switch their names.
Should we?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I will get on this. 100.
92.
Oh, 92
It's
right
been
now.
ranging from like 90 to 150.
Excellent play there from Bo Scotty and Freebeast. Oh, this trackpad makes me want to punch a child.
Don't use the trackpad. Use this. Stop.
And give him a point.
Yes.
Chicago gets the point.
Chicago trying to knock out the Invaders at this point. This is losers. Losers
This
quarters.
is for 5th place.
This is
I think we will have 5th and 6th play out probably.
And it looks like False is going, he might be staying. Oh no, he's going back. False is going back to Sheik.
Getting into, oh, do they run it right back to Battlefield 2?
Yep.
You gotta respect that.
They've been all about running it back, basically. Keitaro and False. I think they use a lot of their doubles as like learning experience. It seems like they just want to know why they lost on that stage, so they run it back with like a more analytical.
This is the 1 and the 2 seed.
Yeah, this is, and they're both in losers. Can we bring that up?
One of them's gonna get 5th. Up smash getting beaten out here by I think maybe Palmer there.
Yeah. Green is just doing.
Green is playing so clean right now.
Yeah, Green's
But this
adding so
team
much damage
combo-
to everyone. Good team combo. Yo! Oh, nice whistle. Or actually, no, that wasn't a whistle. That was air dodge, but she still got the bouncing fish off of Pikmin. That's what it was.
Green has been just really good at making things that are normally safe unsafe for the blue team.
Keitaro almost wrecked Bo.
Yeah, that would have been
Yo,
that
forward
would have been wacky.
Olimar is doing so much work lately.
But he's got to stay alive. His percents are leaning slightly towards the blue team. Keitaro just being a great backline.
Yeah.
It's weird. You'd think Diddy would be more of the front line, but Sheik is so aggressive as well.
Yeah, I mean, the nice thing about this team is that it switches so well. Like, Keitaro can go aggressive with Bananas and Diddy Kong, or...
Olimar walling out both of these blue players right now by himself. Bo has sat in shield for the past 10 seconds. Back throw.
Not quite.
Up smash on your teammate.
That's...
And that down air gets beat
That's a
out
rough
by
way
an
to
up
start.
air. Yeah. Unfortunate choice there by Bo Scotty, but I appreciate the killer instinct, at least. He sneaks out the up air. That's going to kill Sheik. And now it's an even game.
Now, Bo just needs to steal on Keitaro.
Yeah, Bo's rage needs to stay alive here.
Basically.
That's going to be clutch if they can make it work. And now here, Keitaro rolling into Bo. Up throw. No real follow-up. I think he went for the up throw just to try and get Sheik off of Green's back. Oh. Keitaro just throwing out forward smashes.
Yeah, dude. This is a battle of... Green is just adding percentage to Keitaro. Oh, but then
I thought he had the
him.
DI. And now Bo Scotty living one.
Oh!
What?
He got the spike! He got the dash attack spike!
That was insane.
Yo, that's huge!
3 for Bo Scotty and Freebies.
That's so massive for Bo and Free.
These guys are making doubles. This is one of the biggest challenges that Bo and Freebeast have ever had in a doubles tournament.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's usually...
It's great to see them rise to the occasion like this.
It's great to see Chicago really just playing doubles so well.
I'm laughing at the stream. Okay, they're trying to get Olimar to fly off the top, but these percents, man, they're so... These are not enough for blue team to really go for any kill setup.
Green, I would love to see Green's damage ratio.
Remember, by picking into Sheik, they sacrifice some kill power, the blue team does.
Right.
Oh, but
that forward smash
not
not
dropping
going
the
to do
shield
it.
at just the wrong second.
Good stuff from Keitaro, man. Reading that perfectly.
Yeah, he's spacing really well right now. All right. Oh my
Oh!
God!
That was beautiful from False instead.
And now, with that stock gone, yes, Olimar's at 0, but Bo's at 128. He needs this rage again. They need to just have Olimar go back to walling out. Yeah, and they need to keep Bo alive. That is going to be so clutch for this red team to keep Mario's kill power intact.
Getting a kill here on Keitaro would just be, that would be icing. They need that. They need to prevent that stock share possibility.
Would you rather face Keitaro or False in the 2v1?
I'd rather face Keitaro personally. I think Sheik is too mobile to like really lock down.
Oh, both these teams are playing so smart right now. Look at all this spacing. Everybody just knows what ranges they need to be in at and knows what ranges they need to stay away from.
Yeah, the spacing game.
Oh, the up air!
Oh, Mario losing the stock.
Now it's 2 stocks to 3, but now these percents, they could make a 2v1 happen.
Yeah, I mean, False almost is basically a kill percentage for both these characters.
Mario does lose his rage, but it might not even be necessary at 120 and 100.
But again, don't forget, Keitaro has 2 stocks.
Yes.
We'll see if False dies first, if Keitaro does.
Red team's best chance is to get this 2v1 scenario.
I want to see them take out Keitaro first, and then False, so that you're not facing False in the 2v1 after False takes a stock.
We'll see if they can actually make that opportunity happen.
Yeah, it's
Back air.
proving to be a struggle.
Up air. And now Green is the one playing very far back. Mario is switched to the front line. And I think that this formation where Mario's in the front line is a little bit weaker for Red Team.
I agree. I think they lose out on a really like active wall.
And right now, I think Blue Team knows they don't have to approach.
Yeah, they haven't made like an aggressive option in so long. Oh, but now we're seeing them take that stage completely.
And these percents are starting to get a little scary for Red Team. They've got to watch out.
Oh, that's going to be
Forward
it.
smash. There goes Bo. I'm sorry. There goes GreenBeast. Bo is going to have to make a 2v1 happen here versus the 3 stocks left of New York. Up. Keitaro goes down.
Okay, so yeah, he killed himself because he feels more comfortable in this matchup than I think Keitaro
Up
does.
smash. And now it's 110-0. Let's see what Bo can do. He looks so determined right now. As does False.
This is just intense. I actually really like that stock share.
Yeah, the more I think about it, the more I like it. Yeah, that is very smart.
It's really
play.
possible for Mario to just like get a really early cape gimp on a.
We saw that game 1.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay, Bo's got to find a way in. It is up to him to approach. Approach False here.
Yeah, I mean, it is only a minute 30. Don't look at that. I mean, this game wasn't really slow either. This game has been really intense.
Yeah, but timeout is possible. He goes for the read. But Bo knows a little bit better than that.
Yeah, we have enough Sheik meta here to at least know not to fall for Vanish.
Yeah, we still do.
We still do.
We're so good. There's the grenade into the needles. And yeah, see.
All right, yeah, here it goes. He wants to set something up off stage. And smart use of bouncing fish to just basically say, hey, if you're going to knock me off, I'm just going to recover high. I don't really care.
Oh, the spot dodge.
Oh my god, that spot dodge.
At the 11th hour there.
That's
That
going to
up
be
air.
it. The
Yep.
up air.
1-1.
1-1.
So now it is the Chicago home team's counter pick, both stage and character-wise.
That's big. Because we both know that both Green and
Bo can character counter pick if they feel the need.
yeah, they're very character savvy.
I think Green's been running Almar all day though, except for maybe the early.
I think Green is definitely going to run all Olimar. Can you wait till after the set? Can you wait like 8 more minutes max?
It is Team Red Hat versus Team Headphones here.
I mean, we're... Okay. All right, guys, I have to hop off real quick. I have to go run the PM auction. JJ Rockets is going to replace me.
Mr. Birds.
Mr. Bird's up.
You're no Charlie Parker, but you are Mr. Birds. That's the most I've used my jazz education in the past 6 months.
Oh, shoot.
Making a Charlie Parker joke. That's right.
I didn't catch it. I'm sorry. I'm no jazz musician.
Charlie Parker's nickname is Bird.
Oh, okay, I see.
Duck Hunt!
All right, Duck Hunt for a game 3? Okay.
And I think they're sticking characters. All right, they're sticking characters.
So, wait, what was game 1? I didn't even see game 1.
Game 1 was, it ended up being a 2v1 for Bo Scotty and GreenBeast.
Okay.
And I clutched out with an awesome cape.
Who was Bo playing? Has he been all Mario?
It's been all Mario this set.
Okay. Yeah, he's been playing a lot of characters in doubles today. I saw him play Peach earlier. I'm pretty sure I saw him play Rob again.
I was talking to obviously Sage earlier, and Bo's a little bit in character crisis mode after last night's BITG.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
So he's been, I mean, it's like his weekly character crisis. So here we are, and he's going Mario. And I think he was watching how much success Dan had as Mario against this team.
Yeah.
That's what influences his
And you know, right now he's doing work, and so is GreenBeast, getting it falls all the way up to 120% right now.
Look at Keitaro, though. They were trying to set up Green's grab into Bo's. Oh!
Wow, the down smash kills so early. And that's an early stock lead for the red team, Team Chicago.
And they are not at very close to kill range. One thing I was saying is when False picks Sheik over Luigi, they do lose kill power.
Yeah, that's true. That's a problem that me and Akira played this exact same team, and our biggest problem was getting early kills. You don't have as you don't have a super strong smash like Mario smashes. You don't
That's why I really liked your team setup with Captain Falcon. Oh, there's Diddy going off the side. He will make it back. I was saying I like your team setup with Captain Falcon because it just lets him kind of elbow stuff.
Yeah, it's the kill power in doubles can be really important because those early kills can just change the whole pace of the match.
Oh, that up air is going to send Bo off the side. Now red team is struggling to get back on the stage. So clutch bounce push there by Pulse.
Oh yeah, GreenBeast is going to make it back.
What's that?
Wait, what?
What?
Oh no, he's
Okay,
back. He's back.
we're living.
I didn't know what happened right there. It looked like he got.
Sheik can fly is
Something.
really what it is.
Yeah.
This isn't a bad stage for Sheik because of the. I think that red team is going for the short sides.
Oh, the
Oh my
grab release to
God.
purple pigment up smash. That's going to be
That was
Pulse's
clean.
second stock already. Down to his last one, where red team's both at 3 stocks each.
Man, this is such a big lead right now. But that back throw and that up air,
Yeah.
it's going to make it 4 stocks to 4. But Sheik already down to the last stock.
Yeah, even though they're tied in stocks, Diddy Kong high percent himself. He's going to be dying really soon. He just needs to be hit by 1 smash.
There it
and
is.
There it is. Mario's up smash. No longer an even game, and Pulse is taking on a lot of damage again.
Oh, this is such a big moment here for Green and Bo. They want to prove themselves as one of the best doubles teams on the biggest stage.
Oh, yeah.
And taking on people from out of state is something they just needed to get more and more experience with. Because let's face it, these guys, they've got our number.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm really glad to see them get challenged by DeBuzz's team. And I know they want that run back, so they're going to try their best to stay alive here. But now Almar having trouble getting back on the stage. That bouncing fish was so good, but the DI is there.
Yeah, we're not going to quite kill with that yet. Omar barely makes it back. And right now,
This has been a
Pulse and
pretty
Keitaro
quick
not doing too
turnaround.
bad.
Keitaro's stock tank is so strong.
yeah, that's what he's been doing all the time. He's always been holding on to those stocks. And Pulse has kind of just been going in, trying to get as much damage as he
look
can,
at him
not
at-
worrying too much about his stocks.
False is so rushed down. And Keitaro, that's what, like, I was asking, all the Diddies we know are super aggressive.
Right.
So when they said in the car yesterday that oh, there goes False.
Wait,
And there
okay.
goes Mario. 3
That's-
stocks to 2.
That trade is definitely worth it for the red team, though, because right now, blue team are both on their last stocks, so if you can finish either of them out, they're gone. 2v1. Right now, GreenBeast, you're going to see him probably trying to just sit back and hold on to his stock as long as he can. And Bo actually sitting back, too, trying to just
Good dash attack there to
not
break the
die on
grab.
either of them.
Yeah, they love this tree, man. But what a good forward smash. And now it is anyone's game.
Yeah, we're pretty much even.
Leads can disappear in a matter of seconds in doubles, and that's what we've seen.
Especially when you have last stock on everybody, because whoever gets the first kill is going to be set up to win this.
So we're going to see, I think we're just going to continue to see Freebeast just kind of sit back. He gets that throw, but oh, what a great up air to make sure that code is going to follow up. Green is just in love with that tree.
Yeah, he's trying to just sit back right now. Nobody wants to take on damage.
Oh, back throw, but here's Diddy's follow-up.
Yeah, he was able to get there, get his combo win safely, unpunished by Mario. Nice back air, Sheik's off stage. Will we see any kind of edge guard? And
There's Diddy
nice,
going off the side.
yeah, nice choice to
Another
just
hit.
go up to the tree by falls. That way he's not going to get hit by Mario on the ground, make it back to safety.
Banana into forward air. Forward
Oh,
smash!
Is that it? No.
No, we've got DI in Chicago. Back air.
Yep.
Post patch.
Green's coming in, using the purple pigment up smash to just threaten position.
Oh no, Keitaro killing falls. And now this is exactly what you're talking about. Oh, this is such a huge advantage for
Yeah,
Red Team.
this-
But with this rage,
Sorry,
there it is, down smash.
Chicago takes it.
Chicago holds. Keitaro and
And-
Falls eliminated.
5th place.
Fifth
Keitaro and
place.
Falls, 5th place. People came in here expecting them to win the whole tournament.
Bo going
Bo
just
popping
absolutely
off.
crazy. Green keeping his cool. And Keitaro
So-
and False, man, there's, like I said, they're just great competitors and they're great people. They just immediately go and they talk about what went
So,
wrong.
hold on. Let's take a look at the bracket really quick. We got
Oh, King Beef and H-Man versus Bo Scotty and
Are they
Freebeast.
from Ohio?
Ohio, they're from
Ohio?
Cleveland.
Cleveland, Ohio. Okay. So we have a team from Ohio, a team from Chicago, another team from Chicago, Knight and Dan in winners finals, and who's the other team?
DeBuzz and
A-Star.
A-Star. We played them. They're a really good team. JJ Rockets.
That's me. Birds up.
Is it just JJ Rockets on Twitter?
Yeah.
Birds up. Hang on, I'll join you in a second.
All right. Birds up.
Birds up.
Oh, I was gonna go back to.
We'll have to find